What's up, guys? Back here with the new vehicle I just picked up today, the Axial SCX6 Crawler. It got the silver version. There's a green and silver right now, the only colors. Not sure if they're going to come out with any other colors or not. It does have working headlights and taillights. Actually, it says right on the box here, there's the headlights and taillights. So 120 amp sensor speed control. We're going to do an unboxing of this, and we're going to take a look inside. We'll be right back. Alright, got it all unboxed here. So there's the controller that it comes with. Instruction manual. It's protected really well. It's got plastic on it over. The tires look very soft for sure. The suspension is very soft as well. You can get the plastic off of this thing and get a closer look at everything. This is what it looks like in the plastic anyway. Alright, I'll get this plastic off and then I'll be right back. Alright, back here, get all the plastic off and everything. Pull the pins out. Pins are located underneath, so front and back of course. So you have all the hidden pins, so it's really nice to have that. And just for comparison purposes, it's my modified TRX-4. As you can see, the size difference, it's pretty massive. I'll just do a quick walk around here. But you can definitely tell a big difference. In person, it's even a larger notable difference, but you can kind of see with the TRX-4. Most of you guys probably know how big that vehicle actually is. So, all right, well, it's all unboxed, and just thought you guys might like to see the SCX6 all unboxed and everything. So until next time, thanks for watching.